Good afternoon, you guys. Coming to you today with this pour. This is a requested pour. And the colors that were requested was a dark blue, like a kind of like a navy blue. And the other color was graphite and like a cream. So I don't really have a cream, so I'm going to use champagne. I also have thrown some of that gold in there to try. So the colors I have, the base is the Phthalo blue from Arteza. That's the Phthalo blue. Can't tell if you can see that or not, but I'll list it in the description. Another color I'm going to be using that I didn't say is going to be the Ultramarine blue, and this is Arteza. So I'm going to try to get started. Didn't know what color combination I wanted to do as far as putting it down. And this was a color combination from Miss Stephanie McCoy. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to try the gold. Everyone knows I love this gold. I'm not going to do that much of it though. And then I'm going to try a little different like I did before one time. And just try to do that and see what kind of a outcome we get. Okay, so I didn't know what color combinations I wanted to do as far as when to put it on there. So I'm just going to give it a try and see what it comes out like. And as always, if it does not come out the way I want it to, I'll just scrape it and redo it again. So this is that ultramarine blue. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. It may be a little thick because I didn't have any, so I just made some up. Okay, looks like I'm going to have a lot of that left. This is that champagne. Looks like that might be almost the same color as that graphite. That's what it looks like when it goes down. All right. Wish me luck, you guys. I don't know what this is going to come out like, but we're about to find out. Okay, so let me just do torch. Hopefully we won't have any video interruptions, stopping or anything. I hope it doesn't stop. I see something in my paint. So as I thought, you guys, the video did stop. So let me just go ahead and try to get this blowed out before it stops again. Hopefully you can see this. I'm just trying to blow it out. Hopefully I'll get each shot. I'll try to do one at a time. Let me move this paint before it goes splashing all over the place. And I'll really be mad at myself. So I don't have on clothes that I want to get painted today. base was a little too thick, guys, because that paint didn't really move at all. Hopefully this turns into something nice because it doesn't look too good right now. Well, it's coming along. Have patience, have patience. I see some cells right here. And give me just a second, I'm going to bring you down. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I did blow on them just a little bit on a couple of them. Not too much change. It's not my favorite, but it is stunning. It has beautiful colors in it. I love that the base color, that phthalo blue. I think that's beautiful. And then what you may not like, someone else may like, because I was just asked today about a previous pour that was done, and I actually gifted it. I gifted it, and I was asked about it, and I gifted it because I felt like it was one of the ones that I didn't like, and I felt like it wouldn't, you know, go anywhere, and no one would like it. And I was just asked about it today. So what you may not like, someone else may like. And I was told that as well. So I'm not going to redo them. I'm going to leave them like they are. Someone else may like them and think that they're just wonderful or gorgeous. It came out good. It's not the result that I wanted it to be because I was expecting something else. But that bottom paint, the base paint, I believe was a little too thick. And that's why it really didn't move like it normally would, because it really did not give that much at all. It barely moved. But anyhow, they are nice. And as always, I will be placing these on Etsy. Everything is not on Etsy, but I will be placing these on Etsy. If they do not sell before I put them on Etsy, you can go to etsy.com/shop/creative designs by YR. You can also email me at creativedesignsbyyr@gmail.com. You guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the bell so that you receive any future videos that I put up. You'll receive an alert, about all of those videos. So anytime I post a video, you will get an alert so that you can see what comes out, the most recent video. Please leave comments and suggestions. I love comments and the suggestions that you guys make as far as the colors, because you know how sometimes we're stuck in the colors that we like, the combinations we like. But you can create something even more beautiful or just as beautiful as what you're into. So, it may not be my favorite color, but it may give a great outcome. So you guys continue to leave comments and make suggestions. And see you on the next video.